Hello friends, I am Ashok Sanodia and I welcome you back in your own organic gardening channel.
And we will start with first two things, that what is seaweed fertilizer and how it is made. So seaweed liquid fertilizer is a natural organic fertilizer which is made by using marine plants or weeds that are most commonly known as algae and kelps. And this is the reason that it is known as seaweed fertilizer. Now please understand that how it is made. So these algae and kelps are collected and processed by a scientific method, and finally a dark pigment is extracted from it. This dark pigment or liquid solution is extremely good and further used as a plant fertilizer. Now after knowing about these things, please understand that what kind of nutrients are contained in it for stimulating our plant's growth. So the seaweed liquid fertilizer is contain a large amount of non-nitrogen organic matters, including almost all trace nutrients like calcium, potassium, magnesium, zinc, iron, iodine, and a large amount of vitamins that are required for the plant growth. More than this, it contains four types of plant hormones which are essentially required for the plant for their all activities. And these are auxin, cytokinin, betaines, and gibberellins. All these hormones help all the plants to balance their growth by helping in boosting all required functions. So overall it contains all required nutrients for proper plant growth. I hope this information will help you, and for any further query, please write us in comments box and we will try to answer you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.